Okay, this is a little intimidating. I'm sitting here with a car expert. This is Brian Weber of Weber Automotive.
Thanks, Randy.
But we've talked a lot, man. You guys know your stuff. But for somebody like myself, what should I be inspecting by myself on my car on a regular basis, just to keep it in shape and safe?
Yeah, so what's good is the newer cars, they require less and less things to inspect, which is good, right? But what can you inspect yourself? It's really not too many things. Tire pressures.
Sure. Okay.
There's a monitoring system in there that tells you if it varies out too much, but that's somewhat of a big window. So check tire pressures every now and then is a great idea to keep the proper inflation, best gas mileage, best tire wear, most safety, all that kind of stuff. Wiper blades, it's a good thing. If it's not wiping very clean, that's something you get a set of wiper blades, stop in someplace, get a set. Windshield washer solvent, another thing you might want to check that.
It stinks to run out of that, and when all of a sudden you get a big splash of muddy water or something. Yep.
Yeah, or road salt.
Good idea.
Engine oil. Most people don't do this nowadays. They really don't, but it's a good idea. Some people would suggest every tank full, every time you fill up, to check the oil.
Just to check the level.
Just to check the level.
You know what's really funny you say that? You're right. I don't. I used to all the time.
And I don't either. But what happens is, once you drive your car on a regular basis, you kind of establish a pattern if you're checking certain things, right? Like just say you check the engine oil once a week. Maybe you do it on a Sunday. And then you've done this for 3, 4, 5 Sundays in a row. Well, it's not going anywhere. Right. You kind of get an idea. You could probably stretch that a little bit longer.
Yeah, right.
Right. So, but it's a good idea to check it periodically.
I will say those are good things to check out. They're simple, and you're right. The car, it looks at itself so much these days, doesn't it?
In fact, transmission fluid. A lot of the cars nowadays do not even have a dipstick. You can't check it. We need a special device.
Is that why I can't find my dipstick? Because of course, Brian, I was going to check that as well last week.
Of course.
To miss that one.
It wasn't just you. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So hey, take a look at your car, and like Brian said, check out the things you can check out, and you want to keep it in good running shape, and the gas mileage and everything. I know that the tire pressure is a big thing, and for anything else, if any dash lights do go off, well, take it into Weber. They know what to do with it. So right now, if you want to, head to the website, weberautomotive.com. You can watch some more fun videos like this and learn a lot of great things about cars. I know I always do. So check it out. And Brian, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Randy.